Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Neighbor from Hell Finally Gets What He Deserves. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about.
Cops confront a man who smashed a beer bottle over someone's head after refusing to leave.
Hey, come over here. What's going on? Hey, come here.
So, the sheriff's office, I called it in. I live right here. I hear him fighting. He comes out holding his face. He hit him in the face with a beer can. And then he came out recording, obviously, get off the property, blah, 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 blah.
Illegally enter the house.
So, there you go.
No, you hit me with a beer can. I don't even drink. No, it smells like beer.
All right,
So, yeah, believe me, I have beer.
what's going on? How do you live here?
No. Terry knows everything. The owner and him.
What are you doing over here?
I want to give a right to the flea market.
Hey, step out here.
No, sir.
Step out here.
Sir, I will not. I am on private property.
I understand.
There's nothing wrong.
Step out here.
Off the property.
Step out here.
Sir.
That's not going to happen.
Off the property.
Sir,
You cannot enter this home illegally.
step out here.
Step out. I'm not.
We're not
Sir,
entering
I don't
illegally.
trust you, and that man that come over with the detective badge, he harassed me already. 3 times.
Hey, step out
The
here.
house, dude.
Step out here.
Nothing going on. I don't trust you. I've already been.
I don't care if you trust me. Step out here. You have no reason not to trust me. You got a way to enter this house?
I just tried.
Dude, I'll open the door.
get in
but
this
you ain't grabbing me.
Then step out
No,
here.
sir, I am not.
Step out
This
here
is
and talk to
private
me.
property.
I don't
Talk
care.
to me right now. I'm
No,
recording.
step out here.
No, sir.
Okay, then I'm coming in.
No, sir, you're not.
Then you're stepping out here.
No, sir. You're
All right.
forcing your way up. I'm being recorded, dude.
Step
You're coming
out
in the
here.
house.
Step
Fine,
out
I'll
here.
step out, dude. Easy.
Step out here.
Just ease up, dude.
Step
Ease
out
up,
here.
bro.
Step
Ease
out here.
up.
Listen, I ain't playing this
Ease
game.
up, man.
Shut up.
Now he says I'll step out here. Why does it gotta escalate to them, the police officers, like putting their hands on you or anything like that for you to actually cooperate? Like it shouldn't even get to that point. You know what I mean? Like, come on, man. Soon as they grab him up, oh, I'll step out. I'll step out. I'll step out. Come on, man. Absolutely ridiculous.
Step out
This
here
is
and talk to
private
me.
property.
I don't care.
Talk to me right now. I'm
No,
recording.
step out here.
No, sir.
Okay, then I'm coming in.
No, sir, you're not.
Then you're stepping out here.
No, sir. You're
All right.
forcing your way up.
No?
I'm being recorded,
Okay.
dude.
Step
You're coming
out
in the
here.
house.
Step
Fine,
out
I'll
here.
step
Oh,
out.
now
dude.
you gonna step
Easy.
out. Oh,
Step
now
out
you
here.
gonna act
Ease
right.
up, dude.
Step
Ease
out
up,
here.
bro.
Step
Ease
out
up.
here. Listen, I ain't playing this
Ease
game.
up, man.
Shut
I'm
up.
stopping, dude.
Shut
I'm
up.
stopped.
We're not playing this game.
Fine. What did I
All
do?
right?
What crime
I'm
did I
telling you to
commit?
step out. A battery.
No, I didn't. He hit me. Look at my
Okay.
lip.
Well, that's what we're here to investigate.
Fine,
He's got a
thank
bloody
you, sir,
nose,
but
all right?
I've got a
But you're not
bloody
going
lip.
to shut the door on us when we're here
Excuse
to
me.
investigate a battery.
Excuse me, sir.
It's not going to happen.
Thank you, sir.
All right? Now step over
that's
here, calm
fine,
down,
sir.
and speak to me and stop
Fine,
yelling.
sir. Just let me get my
Stop
composure.
yelling.
Fine, sir.
And you're not going to walk away from me.
That's fine,
You're not
sir.
going back in the house.
I didn't do anything to you.
All right. Well,
Yes, sir,
we're
that's
here to
fine.
figure out a battery.
That's
We got
fine, sir.
accusations of a battery.
You see my
All right?
lip?
No, I don't see your lip.
Look at it.
All right.
He started it. He don't live here.
All right. Well, we're going to figure that out.
Fine, sir.
But you're not going to go back
That
in.
man
And you
across
can't
the
act
street?
like this.
Dude, either can that detective. He tried to force his way in this door, and he
Because
harassed
we
me
can if
No,
there's
sir.
batteries
If
occurred.
there's an
twice.
allegation of
Did he
battery,
see it? Did the detective
We're about to find out.
I haven't been drinking. It's not like beer, though.
Who are you to them? Just
Friends,
friends?
yes.
All right. So what happened?
I come in the house, and you told me to get the hell out. You know, I was going to pick up Tara to go to the flea market.
Were you invited over here by her?
Tara, yeah.
Does she live here?
He called me 10 times to pick her up today.
Does she live here?
Yes.
Okay, so what happened once you got here?
And they all of a sudden told me to get the fuck out. And I said, I don't have to get out because it's her house. She invited me in.
Right.
And all of a sudden, he started getting really pushy, and all of a sudden, get the fuck out of my house. It's not even his house. And he
Okay.
had a beer. I said, fuck you. And I cursed back at him.
Okay, so
And
then
he,
what
he was
happened?
all him. And then he smashed the beer in my face.
Did you hit him?
No, I tried to block him.
Okay, but you never threw a punch
No.
and hit him? Okay. Do you need EMS to come look at your
No,
nose?
there's nothing. The only thing I'm pissed off is I smell like beer.
All right.
And I quit drinking, and it makes me want to
So
drink.
do you want to file for charges on him, or what do you want to do?
I think they should cover it.
Who should cover it?
No, Terry's her house. She's looking for a scapegoat to take her. I don't want to take care of this. I like the guy. It's just so I
So-
need his medicines.
You have to tell us if you want to, file charges or not. I mean, it's up to you.
I'd rather not.
You'd rather not? All right. So you want to write a statement or anything like that?
Just something with 18 in.
Who?
I'm not going to file a statement. I'll file no.
So, did somebody mention something about a BB gun or anything like that?
I don't know about that at all. I come over here, bring water over and
Okay.
stuff like that. And I was full of fun.
All right. So you usually get along with him?
Yeah, most of the time.
So what's his issue today with you?
I think he didn't take his medicine.
So,
Oh my God.
it's up to you. Like I said, if you want to file charges, it's totally up to you. If you file charges, he goes to jail. If you don't, he don't go to jail. So,
I'm not going to file charges.
okay.
Because I don't want to be the scapegoat.
So it's a big waste of time. Why is anyone here? Why did you call?
They called the police at least 10 times on him.
Well, we're still going to document it and everything, so the report's still going to be written. But, if you don't want to file charges, then we're not taking him to jail or nothing. So.
Because I don't think they call the police on each other 10 times a week. I come over and give him water, water and stuff, and
Gotcha.
try to help. This guy knows. Him over there.
All right.
I tried to do the right thing in life, but hey, all I came to give her right to the flea market. You showed my phone. She called me like 8 times today.
All right.
Big waste of time. If he's not gonna press charges, why did you guys call the cops? Big waste of time. Deal with it.
I go to the flea market because I came over.
Oh, it's constant. So I got a video yesterday where he acted like he was going to hit me in the back with a bucket when I was getting something out of my truck because they've been stealing water and shit from his house.
Yeah.
And I was getting keys out of my truck, and I have a camera on that tree over there. And I'm in my truck, and he's got this bucket in his hand. He's acting like he's going to walk up and hit me with this bucket, and then he starts cussing me. He's like, stupid MF for this and MF for that. And I was like, what?
Are you actually Leo or?
Oh, yeah, I work in narcotics.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
he's with Crawford.
But no, this is an ongoing issue, and
You
I've
didn't,
come to the point of filing stalking charges on
You
him.
didn't want to file any charges for assault or anything?
Well, I would have loved to, but I didn't think about it at the time. I've thought about filing charges for stalking because he stood here and MF'd my wife and my 13-year-old daughter in the driveway, telling them to get the F back in their house.
Yeah.
And my mom.
And her mother. Like, it's uncalled for.
Right.
And he knows I'm the police.
Yeah.
And every time he sees me, he purposely goes out of his way to try and pick a fight.
Yeah, we've been here a couple times. Same situation. If it was me, I would want this guy to press charges, but he says he doesn't want to.
I told him
He needs to press charges.
that
But-
he doesn't want to get involved, and I was like, this isn't going to end then.
No. So you own the house, right?
Yes. He's got eviction papers to get out.
How much longer does he have on the eviction?
Probably another, like a week and a half.
A week and a half?
10, 12 days, yeah.
Okay. And so is he going to be gone at that point?
Yeah.
You have any idea where he's going?
I have no idea.
No. All right. Who is he to you?
He was dropped off here. So I don't know. I mean, he wasn't really told he could stay here. He just dropped off and he started staying day after day on the couch. And
Yeah, you can't let that happen.
asked him to leave and it just so happened.
But this is your place, right?
Right.
Yeah, you can't let that happen. If you let somebody move in here, then you have to go through this whole process.
Mm-hmm.
But next time, don't let people just, if they get dropped off here, then you have the right not to let them in your house.
Right. Now he's already in.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, she was actually not. It wasn't like that.
So he was an invited guest by somebody else that was living here?
No. He just got dropped off and he needed a place to stay, I guess, and he just started staying on the couch. And
How do you know him, though? How did he know to
I
come
know
here?
him from the guy that drives this truck, Jack.
Okay. But yeah, you don't have to let anybody stay here. I don't care if they're dropped off or
I've
not.
asked him to leave many times and he won't leave. The police have been here and then he shuts the door and knocks him out and
Yeah.
he ends up staying anyway.
So how long has he been here, though?
It's been going on a couple months.
Yeah.
But he got his paperwork, so we'll see what happens.
So how long ago did he get the eviction?
Just a few days ago I gave it to him.
Okay. Was it 30 days? A 30-day
No, it's not
eviction?
been 30 days.
No, is it a
It was
30-day
15
eviction?
days, I think.
They gave him 15 days to move out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like 15 days minus the weekends and holidays, something like that.
Gotcha. He's going to jail no matter what. We're taking him for resisting. He backed away from me, went into the house, pulled away from me. I got resisting charges. So, he also hit the friend here too, I guess, when he was trying to break it up. Did he hit him as well?
He just said, think about it.
Let me go see if they're all right.
You got me. You know that. You hit me too. Thank you, sir. I'm being detained for what? What am I being detained for?
Right now for resisting.
Resisting? I wasn't resisting.
You did resist.
No, sir, I did not.
When I told you to come
I did not resist.
Take him to the car. Put him in the car.
Sir, I'm being detained. What am I being arrested for?
I just told you for.
What am I being arrested for?
I just told you.
Resisting?
Yeah.
Dude, ease up, bro. Let me walk. Let me walk, dude. Ease up. I'm on disability and you've heard me before. I'm going to jail for resisting arrest. That's what you said, okay?
Not resisting arrest. Resisting.
Resisting arrest?
It's not.
Dude, I was detained. You said I was detained. You put me in the fucking car, man. This is ridiculous.
Searching for.
Go ahead, dude. There's only a wallet in my pocket. Right. Jesus Christ.
Well, we have to
search you. I didn't do anything but protect myself.
No, you walked away and pulled away from. It's not a resisting arrest.
That's what
it's resisting.
You said. You detained me and you said it was for resisting
you don't stop
arrest
talking.
I'm being arrested for.
Listen, you don't stop talking long enough to understand what I'm telling you.
Why are you muscling me then? I was detained, and now I'm arrested for resisting arrest? Well, good, man. What's your name? Williams and who? Bro, I'm being arrested for what? What am I being arrested for?
Resisting.
Resisting what?
Hey, lap.
No, sir. What am I being arrested for?
That's fine.
What am I being arrested for, Rodriguez? What am I being arrested for,
Rodriguez.
Sir? What?
Who's Rodriguez? Is that? Yeah, that feels profiling. Yeah, he called him Rodriguez. He called you Rodriguez.
He was charged with 2 counts of simple battery and resisting an officer.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.